Hello students, in today's lecture we'll study about how to detect the end of a file. Okay, in the previous class we have already discussed about different file pointers and manipulators. Okay, and let's see. Okay, the detection of the end of file condition is basically necessary for preventing any further attempt to read data from the file. Okay, and this is done. This end of file get detected by EOF function. EOF stands for end of file. The end of file returns non-zero value. Every function returns a value. Okay, it will returns a non-zero value if the end of file, okay, is encountered, and zero otherwise. So the condition can be checked as this. Okay, you can also let's you can it is last one is the object of if stream. Okay, um, for example, an if object, it is an object of if stream. Okay, so this is must be the object of if stream class. Okay, maybe it if in, okay, file in, if in, then you have to write either this condition. Okay, if stream object such as if in, it returns a value 0, this object if in, okay, I have written here. Okay, you can either use the if stream object if in which returns 0 on an end of file, or you can use this function. Either you can use this object or this function, which is a member function of the iOS class. Okay, this is an object and this is a function. It returns a non-zero value on reaching the end of file, otherwise it returns 0. Okay, if it is the end of file, then it will return a non-zero value or whatever, some bytes or anything. But if it will not the end of file, or it reached some other, or may occur some error, then it will return 0. Okay, okay, so this statement will terminate this. Okay, you can also write it like this. You can also write while if in condition. Okay, and another one is you can also write if in one dot eof function not equals to 0, also you can left it blank. Okay, if it is not equals to 0, that means it is automatically the end of file. As we have discussed, if it will return 0, okay, if it will stores 0 value, it will return 0 value, then it is not the end of file. Okay, if it is not 0, then it is the end of file. Okay, so in a program you have to implement this function. Okay. This is how the way how to detect the end of file. Okay, first means you have to store it in a function, or you can directly call it also. Okay, you have to open, first you have to open a file, then you have to perform this operation, then you have to close the file. Okay, and in also the cout you can write this to know its value. Okay, like you can also write cout like this. Okay, actually not cout, you have to write a if stream, sorry, not if stream, you can write it as ape stream. Okay, ape stream object, then cout function, sorry, cout object. Okay, so this is all about your end of file.